Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs Z2 Network. I'm your host, Sphiwe Matwani.
Yes.
Sphiwe Mageleni. This is Kaizer Chiefs Z2 Network. Please don't forget to subscribe. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers so that you stand a chance to win this iPhone, incredible iPhone. So in the last match, the incredible match that Sekhukhune played, we are playing against Sekhukhune.
Yeah.
Slala is Sekhukhune. Sekhukhune is Shai Chipa. 3. 1, 2, 3. Baxosha coach Lentuzana Vusmus, so he was sacked from his job. So of course Sekhukhune Baxosha coach, now Paul Masia, they're still getting to find their groove, all that story, but it's not a team that we should take for granted. Yeah, it's not a team that we should take for granted. They played against Chipa, they won 3-1. When you look at the players, Lapaya, they're a very, very good team. Bakhona abanye abangekho, Abolinda Umtambo, Figo, Morena. In the left back, Maphethu Vuyo Letlapa, very, very good left back. Very close to him, Daniel Cardoso, the former Kaizer Chiefs player. So the bayadlalisana. They're playing together, and they're doing very, very well, if I have to say that myself. Then Phambili is the danger man, Brighton Grove. He even scored in the previous game. So that was a very, very incredible win. But now, the thing about this game is that Chiefs is number 3, Sekhukhune is number 5. Sekhukhune sina 42, Yamazulu ina 43, Chiefs ngati ina 48. 48, 47.
5.
Yeah, 48 points. So if they had won, they were going to be 50 points. Against the past 2 games, they didn't win. Zonke, they didn't win against Sewelele, they didn't win against Sundowns. So I don't know what do they want now. If they don't win this time, I don't know.
Against Pirates.
They didn't win against Pirates. I don't know what they want now if they don't win this game. Because at the end of the day, Willard Katsande, Pro Max, Agadali, he got a yellow card. I think he's suspended for this game. Duduzi, injured. He had to be probably still in the hospital or is out right now, injured. So there's a lot of things that needs to be adjusted in this game. There's a lot that needs to be done.
As usually as they do because of they didn't in the last match.
Why should they put him when they don't win? Why should they put him in games that are crucial and then they want to blame him? He played so well against Siwelele, but they lost. It wasn't his problem. He was one of the best players on the pitch. Look at the foul, the tackles that he was making at Kijima, but they lost 2, unfortunately. So when between Cele and Oxenterta, who should they put in this game?
Personally, and Chetosangena in the second half is Baba, they did last.
A defender if by a win.
Yeah, but if Kaizer Chiefs really wants to be number 3, so that they can be able to go and play with
Africa.
They actually need this win.
They need this win. Because this win can almost at least guarantee. Not 100%, but can give them 80% chance with sending Genili. But if they don't win, they lose. The worst thing that they can do is to lose.
If we are going to lose, will be the Sundowns. Kalayo manje. Sundowns is under pressure.
Exactly. So if we want to be sure, win that game and become in Africa. So we don't know what's going to happen. Who do you think is going to score? Flavio Silva again?
Fun. Yeah, I can give it to. But I think this time around, Lillepo is going to score.
It's going to play better.
Yeah, it's going to play. As long as they do not play him as a winger, I don't like him as a winger.
Yeah, of course, we'll see what's going to happen because that's another issue. He was not there
if
even
they put both of them as
for strikers.
Possibility he might score.
What's your prediction?
My prediction for this one, maybe another 2. Sekhukhune gonje mfana. Sekhukhune please. We might see 2-1 maybe.
Kaizer Chiefs.
I think I'll give it to my team, Kaizer Chiefs.
for the first time in a long time.
Hey, mfana,
Maybe your 2-1 will work. Yeah, Nami, but Chiefs, man, you guys will disappoint us, man.
Chiefs will disappoint you.
Chiefs will disappoint
and
us.
when it's playing like with the big teams, they will when you look at the high press that they were playing
exactly.
with Sundowns.
That's how they should play,
they should
right
play
now.
like that. Man.
So let's give them a 1-0. I'll give them 1-0.
Because of a PSL infatuation, he has a goal when it comes to goals.
Yeah, 1-0. Thank you so much for watching. Give us your prediction as well below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Love and peace. Tango.
Tango.